What's up everybody? It's time for another 5-ingredient recipe using one of the new Primal Kitchen pasta sauces. Today we're going to be making eggplant parmesan. And to get started, you are going to take 2 eggplants and you are going to cut them into thin slices. Next, you are going to take some almond flour and a couple of eggs, and you're going to take each slice of eggplant. You're going to dip it first in the egg, next in the almond flour, and you're going to lay those out on a piece of parchment paper. You're going to take that and you're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 425 degrees. You're going to take it out of the oven and then you're going to take a baking dish like this. You're going to set down a thin layer of the tomato basil marinara. On top of it, you're going to put a layer of the sliced and cooked eggplant, followed by another layer of sauce. Then you're going to top that off with a bit of shredded Parmesan. You can make it as cheesy or as uncheesy as you like. Top it off with another layer of eggplant, another layer of sauce, and a final topping of Parmesan. Then you are going to set your oven for broil. I'm going to do that right now. And then you're going to stick it under the broiler for just about a minute, just long enough to get the cheese nice and melty. And there you go, a very simple and unintimidating yet very tasty way to make eggplant parmesan. If you want to pick up some tomato basil marinara for yourself, you can get it over at primalkitchen.com. Use the code HELLO20 and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching.